Welcome to multiple choice question 23 of the 2005 Mathematical Methods Exam 1. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now before we move on, I'd just like to point out that the use of the CAS calculator is an efficient way to approach this question, although the question is readily solvable by hand too. So for question 23, we're asked the equation of the normal to the graph of y equals 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 3 at the point where x equals 2 is given by one of these options. On the CAS calculator, go into the main menu. Now what we want to do is we want to type in the expression for the equation that we're given. So that is 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 3. Next, we're going to highlight that and go interactive, calculation, and we're asked to calculate a line. So we want to calculate the normal in particular because that's what was asked for in the question. However, in this same area, you could calculate the tangent line, which many students did incorrectly for this question. So we want to click on normal. And then we wanted it at the point when x equals 2. So in this third box, we're just going to put 2 in and hit OK. And we get this output. So from the calculator, we got the output that we had negative x on 16 plus 1 over 8. And to turn that into the equation of the line, it just becomes y equals. However, that option doesn't appear there. But what does appear is the factor of negative 1 over 16 being factored out. So if we were to do that, we'd say that y is equal to negative 1 over 16. And then what's remaining would be an x for the first term. And then the negative that comes out here would require another negative here. And we would multiply the number 2 by 1 on 16 to get 1 on 8 back. So that is an option, and it is option B for this question. Now, if you didn't want to do all of that by hand, on the calculator you could have dragged down this expression, highlighted it, and gone interactive transformation, factor, and we want to factor something out. So clicking that, the thing we want to factor out was negative 1 divided by 16 to help reveal the answer that was available on the multiple choice paper. Hitting OK, and we'd get the same expression as we just found by hand. And from the examiner's report, we can see that 71% of students got this answer correct, which is fairly well done at this stage, with the most common incorrect answer being option D. And option D is the answer you would have obtained if you had have calculated a tangent line instead of a normal line, which was what was asked for in the question. So that can explain why 15% of students got that question wrong. They calculated the wrong type of line.